How do you sort a date filter in Tableau? In this example, I have my date on filters and I'm showing it as month, day, year. You can see it's backwards. So the top value is November 1st, 2015, and the bottom value is December 7th, 2020. I can adjust this by setting the default parameters to my date field. So I click on my date field and choose default properties, and let's default sort. We're going to default sort to be descending instead. Let's take date out. Now when I drag date to the filter shelf, I want to make sure I choose exact date. So I'm just going to choose month, day, year for now. Use all, apply, OK. And let's change this to make sure it's exact date. We can click OK and change it to discrete. It's going to make me use all again. Now, when I add the filter to the view, it's the other way around. 12/7 is first and 2015 is last. Hope this helps.